Okay, so here we're talking about a percent error problem. Let's read it. Pedro wants to buy new sneakers. He calculates the amount of the sneakers as $45. The actual price of the sneakers is $50. What is Pedro's percent error? So we're going to read this. We're going to over this. So let's underline important information that we have here. So he calculated the amount of the sneakers as $45. And then the actual price of the sneakers is $50. And then what is his percent error? So now when we're talking about percent error, we're trying to find the error from the actual amount. So we need some important information written down here. We need the miscalculation, and you could call this the incorrect or something that would show it that it was wrong, but we can't call it the error because the error is something different. So our miscalculation was $45. And then our actual price of the sneakers was $50. So we need the error between $45 and $50. The error between them is the difference between them, and that's 50 minus 45, which gives us 5. So that means our error here is $5. So we have all of our information rewritten. Now we can start setting it up, which is really the hardest part. So we have our percent, and we have our numbers. And we're trying to find, it says, what is Pedro's percent error? So I'm going to put on the percent side, X error. So what we're trying to find, percent is always out of 100, so I'm going to write 100. And 100% is going to be my actual amount because I'm trying to find the error from what it should have been. And then when I pull over my words, I have error over actual. And my actual amount should have been $50. And my error was 5. So now I solve. I circle the side I know the most about, draw my arrows to the other side. Scale factor equals end over beginning. The end of my arrow is 100. The beginning of my arrow is 50. So 100 divided by 50, I can do that in my head, that's 2. So that means I'm multiplying by 2 here and multiplying by 2 here. So 5 times 2 is 10. So that means my answer is going to be 10. And I was looking for percent error, so I have to write 10% error and box my answer.